Good day, everyone. My name is Joseph Jayola. Welcome to my YouTube channel, JjaySpeaks. So I look forward to learning more from you and also you learning from me. So in case you have anything you want me to share, kindly let me know in the comment section. So before we go for that, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, JjaySpeaks, and so you keep abreast of information. So on this YouTube channel, I've shared informations as regards in CV optimization, how to have a good LinkedIn profile, how to discover your career path. So, but this video I'll be sharing today on how to apply for courses for free on Coursera. I did it. There are some courses that are free on Coursera in which you don't have to pay for it. I think there are some promotional offers they do. It depends on the time of the year. But most times people have a constraint of the kind of course they want to learn because of those courses are not free. So, but Coursera has like this option for you to apply for financial aid. And if you qualify, you'll be given the financial aid after 2 weeks. So you'll be asked 3 questions. So I'm just going to share my screen. And so you could know the process on how to apply for the financial aid, because sometimes it could really be complicated. I mean, trying to share your screen and trying to apply for the financial aid and all, and you probably cannot navigate to where you are supposed to go through. So in case you don't have a Coursera account, so you go to just type Coursera on Google search, then Coursera.org. So I have an account already. That is why it's showing this already. So, but in case you don't have an account, registering is like very simple and all. So you just come here, you search for the course that you want to apply for. Say you want to apply for, let's check SQL. And one of the good thing about it is that in case you probably don't know, there are like categories for courses that you can apply. You could check, okay, I want to check something in line with business, in line with computer science. You want to learn probably data science with programming and all of those stuff. But there are two like different interface in which people like get to apply for courses in Coursera, and they kind of find it difficult. So I'll just search for one. So let's say I want to learn SQL for data science. Let's see. So if you notice, we have like different options. It's just the same thing as YouTube videos where you have different instructors for same learnings, and their mode of instruction can be quite different. So let's click on this. So if you notice here, we have something like no more enrollment left. And you saying this, you might feel like, oh, there's no point in applying for this. And you probably do not even see a point where you could apply. But I advise you to just scroll down, then you will see, try to click on one of the courses. So you try to click on one of the courses. So you see that, let's see all, and click one of the courses. So you just click. So it takes us to, so you're not going to click enroll for free, no. So you then click the course here. And you will see option for financial aid available. Then you click on it. So you're giving the instruction, continue to the application. Then you have to fill all of these terms and conditions. As I agree to the terms above, and you'll be able to, so you answer these 3 questions, you fill all of this, you answer why you're applying for financial aid, and how will this course help you achieve your career goals. On the mode of answering this question, I talked about them in my LinkedIn profile. I said the first question is why you're applying for financial aid. You could answer this by explaining the financial situation in your country and the exchange rate. How would this course help you achieve your financial goals? So just use this model that here to answer this question. You could pause this video at this juncture to get to know so how to apply for each of these questions. I would advise you that before you submit, you should copy your response, because you are probably going to be applying for financial aid subsequently, and you don't have to like start all over again, because 150 words is not like, it's not something you could come off with in like a minute. It depends on how good you are a writer. But I just advise that you keep those your response in a Word document where you could always use them subsequently. But I also advise you pick no year. At some point when you are applying, you'll be asked that how much can you pay. So just write $0 per month. And the reason why you should write that is so that you won't be asked to pay any amount in that sense. And the good thing about Coursera is that your learning is like coordinated and all. While waiting for those 2 weeks, I advise you to then go to YouTube to start to learn some of those courses. For instance, okay, I said for R for programming here because I am currently taking a course in R for programming, and one of the videos that I hear on YouTube, it's like this instructor here is on Coursera. So our advice, in case you want to do something faster before you get your results in 2 weeks from Coursera, I mean the approval for the financial aid, I would advise you don't, I don't know, it depends on you. This is very subjective. You can notice this course is a 2 hour strength learn course. You might not be able to know like, okay, this is how I'm learning. You might not be able to sit down 2 hours to learn a course. So I advise you come down to look for courses that has something related to this, that series, that has a playlist. So when you look at the full playlist, then you keep watching one by one. So you see this is on Coursera, but watching this on YouTube video, you might not be able to get your certification. But on Coursera, you'll be able to get your certification. So another way the interface can be quite different is, so let's go to Coursera and let's try go back. And so let's see. So you see that let's check something else. You notice that the interface is quite different from the previous. I'm trying to check. And just come Coursera. You see the interface is quite different from the one. So but I tried to check this and I noticed that the interface is like always project management, principal management. So let's check this. If you notice here, compared to like the previous one where we saw the courses already, you are not seeing the courses here. So you might not, if you click show all, you might not see. Also here, you have no more enrollment left, but all you just need to do is just, okay, so I have to click this again. So you come and click on this, then you click on, so till you get something like this, then click on one of the courses, 2 readings. This is not clickable. So let's see this. Okay, so so you don't need to click enroll for free. Just click on this. And you see financial aid available. Don't need to click on this. So it does the same instruction. And also one thing about Coursera is that, so there are sometimes you are taking some courses or some learning whereby it can be a steep curve where you are getting to learn and you're not sure if you are learning or it looks as though you are confused. I would advise you to keep on learning, and let's say at some point you get really stuck, go to Coursera again and apply for another course that's related to that. For instance, you are learning data analysis for our programming and you find out that that course you're not probably getting it, you're not connecting the dots, go apply for another course related to that. Somehow it might be the new course you apply for that will make you connect the dots. So applying for financial aid in Coursera is legal. I mean, that is like one of the platforms there. So just make sure you give them genuine reasons why you should be giving, and I hope that you'll be giving the financial aid and you'll also be able to learn the things you want to learn, so money would not be the constraint for learning. Like I said, in case you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comment section, and you could also check out other videos that you think could be valuable for you. Thank you for your